Makiria onjorithia ingi matowi ni ati thirikari niri na mbango wa kunyitira onjorithia gikiro gia thi na gia gatagati na njira ya kumahe utaro na mbeca cia kumurugamirira kibiashara.
CARE is a state agency responsible for SMEs, to support SMEs in value addition. We do lending, we do business advisory services and incubation services to support SMEs so that they're able to start enterprises in value addition, create employment, and at the same time create wealth, both in urban and rural areas.
Wabici cia ruhonge ruru iri guothe bururi-ini na ukerekana mirango yacio ni mihingure kuri muingi o wothe.
In Central Province, we have SME parks in Nyeri, in Karatina, in Sagana, and there the kind of industry support are largely agro processing, adding value to maize and other agricultural produce, so that the entrepreneurs can get more value along the value chain.
Kuringana na director murugamiriri wa ruhonge ruru onjorithia nini na ikiro gia gatagati nio makuite uritu wa utonga wa bururi na no muhaka makororo makiroro na njira iria njega.
SMEs have the biggest potential in this country. 81% of jobs in Kenya are created by SMEs. 98% of all businesses are SMEs. So they play such a huge, significant role in this country.
Kenya Industrial Estates itanyite gukinyaniria mendekithia ma Big 4 kugerera iganda cia gwithondekera indo guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha metha ya wonjoria ya Kameme TV, njitikaga Njuguna Wanga.